Good morning. The morning soul is very much needed to feed to the mind. We feed our body, but we forget to feed our mind. And a beautiful morning, the gentle breeze of the nature, the gentle and bright sunshine. These all are very much needed ingredient to feed your mind. And I am happy to feed my mind. Are you feeding your mind? Here, I cannot zoom much, but I am watching a pigeon. A happy bird is here. A happy bird is enjoying her time. I can hear the chattering of birds. There is a boat. Maybe in a couple of years, the boats in the scenario of many Indian villages will disappear. These are some harsh truth that haunt me many times.